Hi and welcome to AboutSlots. Today we're diving into the depths of Muddy Waters by Peter and Sons, where fishing meets the bizarre in a radioactive setting. Prepare for a gaming experience that blends volatility with the thrill of the catch. Muddy Waters take you into a unique fishing experience set against a backdrop of radioactive garbage dump. While it might seem complicated at first, the gameplay resolves around a single fishing feature, which can be both thrilling and volatile. Players aim to reel in big catches, but be prepared for emotional highs and lows as the excitement builds. With a maximum win potential of 20,000 times your bet, this game offers a wild ride through its unpredictable waters. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a curious newcomer, Muddy Waters promise a memorable adventure filled with surprises and the chances to reel in the monumental wins. Cast your line and see what you can catch. Don't forget to give this video a like and make sure to visit AboutSlots.com for more new releases this week. Bye!